Have you ever wondered why some people can eat bread, pasta, and dessert, and still stay lean, while others gain weight just by looking at a slice of pizza? According to metabolic expert Dr. Jason Fung, the real reason isn't willpower, calories, or even exercise, that it's something much deeper. A tiny hormone that controls whether your body stores fat or burns it. That hormone is insulin, and today, you'll discover a simple trick with carbohydrates that burns more fat than 48 hours of fasting, without cutting your favorite foods. Stay with me, because this small change might just transform the way your body handles fat forever. Your body is a beautifully complex machine. Every single thing, from your heartbeat to your hunger, is controlled by hormones, not just calories. Think of insulin as your body's fat storage switch. When you eat carbs, your blood sugar rises. Insulin jumps in to bring it down, but here's the twist. Every time insulin rises, your body is told to store energy as fat. That if insulin is always high, your body never gets the chance to burn stored fat. That's why even strict diets or daily workouts sometimes fail. Because your hormones are telling your body to hold on to the fat, not let it go. So how can you lower insulin without starving yourself? Dr. Fung revealed a fascinating secret. You don't have to give up carbs. You just have to eat them in a smarter order. It's a method first used by diabetic researchers, but what they found applies to almost everyone who struggles with blood sugar or weight gain. Imagine eating the exact same meal, same calories, same foods, but one simple change makes your body produce half the insulin. Sounds unbelievable, right? But science says it's true. In a 2015 study, researchers took people with type 2 diabetes and gave them two versions of the same meal, bread and orange juice for carbs, chicken breast and vegetables for protein and fat. When participants ate the carbs first, blood sugar shot up, but when they saved the carbs for last, their glucose peaks dropped by 54% and insulin exposure fell by almost half. Just by flipping the order of what's on the plate, their metabolism shifted from store fat to burn fat. No fasting, no pills, just smarter eating. Here's why this trick is so powerful. When you eat protein and fat first, they slow your digestion and trigger the hormone GLP-1, the same fullness hormone used in expensive weight loss drugs like Ozempic. That means fewer cravings, steadier energy, and the best part? You naturally eat less without even noticing that you're not fighting hunger. You're working with your biology, and by the time you reach the carbs, your body is calm. There's no insulin panic, no blood sugar roller coaster, just smooth, balanced energy. Dr. Fung adds two simple hacks to make this even more effective. First, pair your carbs with natural acids, olive oil, vinegar, yogurt, or kefir. These acids slow down digestion and cut the glycemic index of carbs by up to 30–40%. That means a slice of bread with olive oil isn't the same as bread alone. Your body processes it completely differently. Second, move a little after meals. Even a 20-minute walk signals your muscles to burn glucose instead of storing it. In fact, studies show walking right after eating can drop blood sugar by nearly 1 full point compared to doing nothing. The beauty of this method is how sustainable it is. You're not depriving yourself or counting macros. You're simply teaching your body how to use food the way nature intended. Eat your protein and veggies first, save the carbs for last, add a splash of olive oil or vinegar, and take a gentle walk after dinner. No stress. No starvation. Just science and smart timing. If this video helped you see food in a new light, give it a like. It really helps more people discover health without restriction. And if you'd like more simple, science-backed wellness tips, subscribe to Wellness Roots Journey, where we explore how small changes can create a healthier, longer life. Thank you for being here. And remember, your body isn't broken. It just needs the right rhythm.